In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a boomerang effect to CapCut videos in just a few simple steps. This is a great effect if you want your clips to feel more dynamic, more creative, and a lot more fun to watch. Whether you're making short-form content, edits for social media, or just want to repeat a movement in a smooth back and forth loop, this CapCut trick is super useful. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is isolate the action clip you want to turn into a boomerang. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import your video into the timeline. Once your video is on the timeline, trim it down so you only keep the movement you want to loop. The best boomerang clips are usually short, smooth, and continuous. Try to keep this section between about 0.3 and 2 seconds for the cleanest result. The key here is to choose a part of the video where the motion looks natural when played forward and backward. For example, a hand wave, a head turn, a jump, a spin, or any small action with fluid movement works really well. If your clip is too long, the boomerang effect can feel slow or awkward, so shorter is usually better. Once you have your clip trimmed, the next step is to duplicate and reverse the footage. Select the trimmed clip on your timeline, then copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows, or by right-clicking and choosing Copy. After that, paste the clip right after the first one by pressing Ctrl+V. You can also duplicate it quickly by holding Alt and dragging the clip if you prefer a faster workflow. Now click on the second clip, the one you just pasted. Look for the reverse button in the toolbar above the timeline. It usually appears as a circular arrow pointing counterclockwise. Click reverse, then wait a few seconds while CapCut processes the clip. This is the step that creates the classic boomerang motion, because now the second half of your video plays backward. At this point, if you press play, you should already see the effect working. Your action should play forward first, then reverse back into itself, creating that smooth boomerang style animation. If it doesn't look quite right, go back and adjust the trim so the motion starts and ends cleanly. A cleaner cut always gives you a better loop. Now let's take it one step further and create a continuous loop. Select both clips together by holding Ctrl and clicking each one, or click and drag to highlight both at the same time. Once both clips are selected, copy them again with Ctrl+C. Then, paste them repeatedly at the end of your timeline using Ctrl+V. By repeating the forward and reverse clips, you can extend the boomerang motion for as long as you want. This is really helpful if you want the effect to last longer in your edit without having to manually recreate it over and over. It also makes your video feel more polished and intentional. After you've pasted the loop a few times, hit play and preview the result. Make sure the motion flows smoothly and that the transition from the forward clip to the reverse clip feels seamless. If needed, trim a little more from the beginning or end until the loop looks clean and natural. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a boomerang effect to CapCut videos using a simple duplicate, reverse, and loop method. This technique works great for edits, reels, TikToks, and any video where you want to repeat a motion in a stylish way. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy CapCut editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.